Price prediction for Rndr, an anticipated 10% increase in Rndr's value. The value of the Rndr token has had a significant increase of 30% since September, and it has further risen by 20% within the current month, with little indications of deceleration. The potential for Rndr to increase its gains by 10% to reach the 3-day supply zone at $1.938 remains feasible, as the market is now dominated by bullish sentiment. The bullish thesis will be invalidated if the altcoin experiences a 3-day candlestick closure below the price level of $1.384. The value of the Rndr token has exhibited a consistent upward trend from the beginning of the previous month, as evidenced by the occurrence of successive peaks and troughs at increasingly greater levels. The possibility for positive price movement in Rndr is still feasible, contingent upon the strategic decisions made by bullish investors moving forward. The objective is to achieve a 10% increase in the value of token Is. The price of Rndr token, Rndr, has had a 30% increase since September and has further risen by 20% within the current month, with no indications of deceleration. Currently, the market is experiencing a bullish trend, and Rndr is facing a supply barrier inside the price range of $1.938 to $2.035. This range is considered a supply zone, characterized by a high likelihood of strong selling activity. A hypothetical examination of this particular order block would entail a significant increase of 10% above the existing levels. By suppressing the desire to take profits, there is a possibility for the altcoin to surpass this particular range, so transforming it into a bullish breaker and maybe proceeding to surpass the previous peak at $2.395. In an optimistic scenario, the potential benefits might extend to the upper boundary of $2.804. The current stance of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, corroborates this perspective, as it has ascended to indicate that momentum continues to increase. Similarly, the Awesome Oscillator, AO, indicators exhibit a positive zone following a consistent sequence of green histogram bars, so providing further support for an upward trend. On the other hand, in the event that the supply zone maintains its role as a resistance level, there is a possibility that the price of Rndr token may encounter a rejection. The subsequent selling pressure has the potential to cause a significant decrease in the value of Rndr, leading it to enter the demand zone ranging from $1.496 to $1.296. A downward movement below the midline at $1.384 has the potential to undermine the optimistic argument, leading to a scenario where Rndr seeks to accumulate purchasing activity from buyers positioned below.